Welcome to the Ritz-Carlton Residences, Waikiki Beach, where luxury meets the breathtaking beauty of Hawaii. Named the #1 best hotel in Hawaii by Conde Nast Traveler's Reader's Choice Awards 2023, this iconic 5-star property offers an unparalleled living experience. Aloha, I'm Duke and I'm a real estate broker in Honolulu. Today, I'm excited to take you on a tour of Unit E1712, a stunning studio in the prestigious Ewa Tower at the Ritz-Carlton Residences. Let's check it out. This elegantly appointed studio features breathtaking ocean and city views, including the vibrant Friday night fireworks display from Hilton Hawaiian Village, overlooking Fort Durusi Park. The efficient layout includes a soaking bathtub, a separate shower stall, a kitchenette, and an in-unit washer-dryer. This unit is 400 square feet with a 63 square foot lanai. Plus, it's fully furnished with upscale appliances, kitchenware, and linens ready for you to move in and enjoy. As a resident of the Ritz-Carlton, you'll have access to world-class amenities, including the highest infinity pools in Waikiki with private cabanas, a premier fitness center and yoga studio, and the Ritz-Carlton Spa, offering customized treatments inspired by traditional Hawaiian healing methods. Indulge in fine dining at La Vie, Sushi Show, and Dina de Luca, all located on the property. Conveniently located in the heart of Waikiki, you're just moments away from iconic beaches, premier shopping destinations, and gourmet dining experiences. And here's some exciting news. The seller has invested $64,000 in upcoming renovations starting in September of 2024 to maintain the property's premier status. These enhancements will boost the residence's appeal even further. The unit's inclusion in the hotel's rental program ensures high occupancy rates, offering lucrative rental income potential. Prospective buyers can easily join the program, making this property a profitable investment while enjoying the benefits of hotel-style living. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and hassle-free living experience in the heart of Waikiki, this studio at the Ritz-Carlton Residences Ewa Tower is the perfect choice. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Contact me today for more information or to schedule a private showing. Thanks for watching.